With the catch-up feature, you can access up to 3 days of past programming so you'll never miss your favorite show or last night's big game again. Plus, catch-up programming is available on your Power DVR or HD receiver. You do not need to have a DVR to access catch-up programming. To view catch-up programming, you will navigate to past programming in the guide. Channels with catch-up enabled will have an asterisk next to their network name. Move to past programming in the guide by using the left arrow on your remote, or jump back 12 hours at a time by pressing the replay button. Catch-up programming is accessible on available networks for the previous 72 hours. When you find the program you'd like to watch, highlight the program and press OK on your remote. You'll be taken to the Details screen. Here, select Play from Start to begin the program. To control playback of the program, you can use your transport buttons on your remote. Use Fast Forward or Rewind on your remote to move 4, 16, 32, or 64 seconds at a time. Pause the program and use the Play button to resume. The Skip button will advance 30 seconds, and the Replay button will replay the last 8 seconds. Press the Stop button to exit the playback. For additional help with your cable service, call the CFU Help Desk at 319-268-5221, Monday through Friday from 6 a.m. to midnight, or weekends 8 a.m. to midnight.